Hello everyone, my name is PauLInstaMyooin, and this is a uh, cooked asparagus info video. So this is the result of what you get for leaving on the whole oven thing to high, and then once it's red, like the bottom part, like well it's covered right now, but the ring, once it's red you put it to 5, and then you lift it from there, and then you get like a thick, decent scoop of butter, like I would say about, hmm, yeah, it's kind of hard to say. About as thick as this, maybe like half of that, yeah. And then like have it on like half of this, like how the camera's pointing, like half of that right there would be like butter, and then that length, and then you rub that all on the surface for like, you know, smoothness and texture and stuff. Because you could use oil, but it's better with butter because it tastes a lot better. But anyways, then you want to have the asparagus. The asparagus, you cut the edges like about that much. You cut it off the ends, off the flat parts, because like the pointy parts you leave those to like those are supposed to stay, but the flat parts you want to get rid of those, like the edges. That's about that. Like I said, cut that much off. But anyways, um, yeah, and then you want to go ahead and add a spoonful of garlic, something like a small, like you would say, like pretty much a good flat spoon of garlic like that. And then you would spread that all on the bottom as well. And then you would lay your asparagus. I just have four because I just eat four every time. It's just for me. And then you like spread them out, and then you wait 5 minutes, and then you flip it, and then you wait another 5 minutes, and then pretty much it's 15 minutes in total because you want five on each side and then five more on the last side that you have flipped. Because obviously, whatever the black burnt side, because it'll be like green and everything at first, and then yeah, because it's supposed to, it looks like it's all burnt and stuff, which it kind of is, but that's actually the point of it. So it's pretty good. But even you can even eat these little black parts and stuff. That's what I like eating. That's why I like drinking, like whenever I do drink coffee. I haven't drank coffee in a long time, but the black coffee, just like because of the taste of darkness. And I used to be, whenever I just like used to have just hot dogs just back at the house because they were there. Because obviously I don't support like killing stuff like that by buying it. But since it was there, I might as well have used it. But anyways, yeah, I used to just cook them black in the in the microwave, and then I used to love just tastes of burnt. And yeah, this is good because it's vegetable and like garlic and butter together. It's really good. So eventually, obviously, I'll do a stream thing on it when I have like a tripod, or I can get my mom to like record it for me while I cook it. 'Cause it only takes 15 minutes, like I said. I mean, I guess a total of 20 minutes just for preparing and all that stuff. So those are pretty much all the steps, and then you should taste some pretty good stuff. So yeah, I don't think I'm missing anything else. Trying to think of whole butter thing, asparagus, garlic. Like when I mean garlic, I mean like the little bits, like they're like you can see them, like those are the garlic pieces. But you would want to like roll them around, roll the asparagus around in it, and then you leave it on one side to, obviously, like I said, cook 5 minutes each to where it's like black side up, so it cooks both sides, and then another 5 minutes just for extra cooking. So yeah, it works out great. Eventually, I'll show you spaghetti squash, because I don't have any squash right now. So yeah, but like I said, I'll be doing all this cooking live eventually on stream, because why not? But yeah, pretty much that's it for that. So I've been your host, PauLInstaMyooin, and goodbye.